what we're going to do now is to create a download page. So if we go to create new website, and I'm going to call this download demo. Click go. It's going to bring up the standard page that tells you to go and empty the page. So we go up here to the top right, empty the page. Yes. Then we go over here to the left to our elements. Okay, so what we can do here is that we can go and look at our content and grab any of the text, any of the boxes that's got a text in it that you'd like to use. So here's an example is testimonials. If I drag and drop that to the right and change that. So instead of testimonials, what I've actually done, guys, is I've created a Word doc and I've typed up my text and put it in the Word doc. I strongly suggest that you do that. Prepare everything first, and then it's really simple to just go and cut and paste and drop that into your page. So I'm going to do that now. I'll go to testimonials, highlight that, paste that in there. So this is going to be a thank you page and a download page. So thank you for your purchase. Grab my next text here. Is click on the link below, okay, to download your purchase. Now we can go and change the size of any of this. So let's go and make that larger, make this a bit bigger. So this one would be, say, large, okay. And now I want to add some more text down here. Now I want to add download. Let's have a look at, go back to elements. Let's design something up pretty cool. Okay, so let's say we wanted this. Drag it over here. Drop it in. Okay, so we want to change this to some other text. So I'm going to cut and paste, drop that in. So instead of product features, okay, get over to the far left. It's not going to do that. I'm going to just type over the top of this. Top. So this is one of my ebooks, Top Blogger. And I want to change that, make that blue. Okay, make it bold. Okay, now I'm going to add some other text in here. So all I do is highlight everything in there so it'll type over top of it. Okay, now we're going to change our formatting there. Change all that to be right, left, justified. And what's going on here tonight? Okay. Change the text over. One more to go. Okay, I don't want any of this text on the bottom, so I'm going to delete that. Let's go and make this a little bit bigger. Okay, and let's right, left, justify it. Okay, so what we can do here is that you can see here that I've got on here, thanks so much for purchasing the guide that will show you how to become a top blogger with a powerful, influential blog. Click here to download your ebook. So how do they download it? You would highlight the click here, and on the first button on the editing tool is insert link. So click on that, and then you put the link to where your ebook is. So you would link it off to, say, Dropbox. So you could have your free Dropbox account, upload your PDF of your ebook up in your Dropbox account, onto your Google Drive, onto whatever you use for storage, whether it's Amazon storage, whatever you wish to do there. And when you go and upload that to your Drive, you can then go and grab the URL and put that in there. And what will happen is that when the person goes and clicks on that, they'll be able to download their ebook straight from there. So this is creating the actual page, the download page. Now we don't store all of your downloads on our servers. So you would use an external service Any of the free ones out there are all fine, the Dropboxes, etc., etc. Now, what else you could do is that you could go and we can see here that we've got, for a limited time, you can access the video upgrade to the guide you just purchased at a huge discount. So I'll just put that in here as a way to plant a seed with you, that when somebody's bought something from you and you're creating a download page for them, if you want to do an upsell after they're purchased, so what you could do here is that you could go and link that off to your upsell page. So you'd go and create another page that's got details of what your upsell is. So we have an upsell of the video training, so then you would link that off to your video training. Now, what about the image on the left-hand side? We want to change that. So I'm going to go and select that image, and I will get that from, have it here, so that is our Top Blogger thumbnail. Okay, so what I just did then, guys, is selected that from my computer. If you didn't want the image, you can remove it here. But I'm going to apply changes. Wait for it to upload that image. There it is. So there's a copy of the ebook. Now, what if we wanted to add something else on the bottom here? Right, we just go over here to our elements. I'm going to put a divider here. So let's grab this first one, drag it, drop it. Wait for it to load. Okay, there's a divider down the bottom there. Now I want to add some more, add another product on here. So what I've done, here's the download page telling them to click here to download. Then I've included an upsell, right, if they wanted the video upgrade, so they could click here and then that would link off to your upsell page. And now I want to add another product as well. So I'll go over here and pick this one that's got the image on the right hand side, drag and drop it. Wait for it to do its magic. There it is. So now we have it on the right hand side. And I'm going to change this to webinar authority ebook. Bear with me a sec. I'm going to cut and paste some text here. So again, be prepared. Have all your text all ready to go. And I'm going to center this. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of both of these. Change it to blue. Okay, make it bigger. Larger. Make this one large. Okay, so what's actually happened here, guys, is somebody's purchased something from you, or it's been a freebie, whatever it is. We've given them an upsell, and now we're going to show them another product that they can buy off us. Because the best time to get people to buy from you is after they've just purchased from you initially. So I'm going to add some material in here. Just cutting and pasting it from my doc. Highlight everything, paste it in there. Okay, change my formatting. I'll make that right left justified. Change the color of the text. Yeah, I want that to be a bit bigger. Make that normal. No, I want it bigger than that. Too big. This shows you how easy it is. You just go and change the size and etc. etc. you want to do here on this. So you can see this one's got blue text up the top. If you want to change that to black, you can do that as well. Let me just do that now. Change that to black. What's happened here? Okay. Now we want to change this image. So what I've done here is I put another product that I can purchase. It's got to click here to learn more. Okay, so I'd highlight that, click on the first button again, and you would then go and add the URL in there, going across to your other product. Or that might even go across to an affiliate product as well. You could go in and put different affiliate products in here, and then when people click on it, it might be a paid per click product where you earn money from people clicking on your link, or it might be going off to an affiliate site and you get paid if they go and purchase that product, or it could be your own product there as well. So now I want to change this image. Come over here, select the image, and this one is my webinar ebook. Apply changes, wait for it to upload that. Okay, and there it is. So let's see what this looks like. Go to preview. Takes a moment for preview because what it actually does, it sets up a temporary site for that to actually upload to be on the internet for you to see what it looks like there. So here's our thank you page. So I'm not real happy with that blue there on the top. I prefer that to be black, so I can just go back in there and change that, change the colors. There's my image on here of the ebook, telling them to click here to download it, click here to learn more about your upsell. Then I've got another product on here that they can now go and learn more about by clicking here, and it goes off to a second page. So that's how quick and easy it is to create a download page. So just to expand a little bit further on the opt-in there, Janine, the download page could be the same as a thank you page for after somebody's opted in. So if I go and, remember we did an opt-in to watch a video or opt-in for a download. The first one was the image one. So then we could link the image page to this download page. So what would happen is that when somebody opts in, so let me just go back over here now. I'll just show you. Let me save this. And let me go to the opt-in page we created. Oh, I deleted it, didn't I? Okay. So let me just go and create a new one and show you right now. Opt-in demo. Okay, wait for that to load and then we empty the page. So let's go and create a download page, an opt-in. Okay. If I scroll down to the opt-ins, okay, here, drag and drop it. Okay, so we just created the download page. So imagine somebody you've created your opt-in page here, and now you want to link your opt-in, so your thank you page here. So you actually have to save, you would have to link your download that I just created. You could enter the link there to your download page. So if you had yourdomain.com/download, well then you would enter yourdomain.com/download here, and what will happen is that when a person goes and opts in, the thank you page will be your actual download page. When I upload that, so this was opt-in demo, so I go and upload that, click on the upload, and so if I used it on my easyblogcreator.com/download, so there's the URL. So that's the URL that you would put into your opt-in page that I showed you just a moment ago. But I'm not going to upload that today.